We will see how to edit an image and text perfectly. First, we will add the text of the image that we want to edit. Then we will write the text that we want to edit. Then we will match the font from the font. Then stretch the font according to the character of Photoshop and match the size. Then hide our font and lock it. Fill the font of the document or image with Content Air Fill. Then we will show our font and can give arbitrary name as needed. We are highly skilled in this kind of work, and we also do website development. If you want to take such service from us, you can contact us. Our contact address will be given in the description. Thank you.